Justin here again from Trek 4x4, just introducing to you another addition to our drawer range or our cargo management system. So this is installed in Boulder, Colorado. Very similar tub shape to an Isuzu D-Max in the dual cab. So let's open it up for you. You might have already seen our twin drawer system, which is also a single drawer, and this is the 370 height one. Again, just some of the features. It pulls out 1 metre. You can hold 190 litres of volume in here, and also holds 200 kilos in capacity or weight. Close it, and you can also key lock it. You've also got the convenient side bins, so you can take those off, and you can access the items from here. It's also shielded, so for instance, items getting behind there won't interfere with how the drawer is rolling. But the addition to it is actually part of our modular system is our tray slide, or half tray slide. So it pulls out, all the dimensions are actually on our website. Download the brochure, but basically it extends out so you can actually have something like a fridge or other items on here, and you activate and slide it all the way in. It's got a cutaway, basically slightly wider away from that wheel arch area there. You might be able to capture that in the picture. And you've also got the tie down points here, which are pretty handy for when you're tying down something like a fridge again. But fridges are nice kept down low, because then you can access them when you're opening them up, and they get right away from things like a canopy door like this one here. Yeah, finished off in a powder coat finish. Yeah, contact us for more details and download the brochure.